Morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Hope you're all doing okay. I know it's been a crazy last few days and last week, I guess. So, hope you're all doing okay. This is our last week of school. So you remember you're returning in your Chromebooks on Thursday. So you're only going to have online learning for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So keep that in mind. This week for English is basically just going to be finishing your project. There's going to be a discussion today, and then there's going to be a survey to take tomorrow and Wednesday, and that'll be it. So make sure you're still checking every day, even if you're done with your presentation, because there's going to be a survey, like I said. And yeah, I think I forgot what I was going to say. But so start by watching the video, then watch or go to this Monday discussion. This discussion is going to be kind of optional, but just read it at least and see if you want to do it. It's just going to be a place for you to talk about how you're feeling with what's been going on with the George Floyd murder and protests. I know it's very emotional for many of us. So if it's not something you want to talk about, just skip it. Okay, that's totally okay. If you do want to share any feelings or thoughts or anything about it, though, this is the place to do it. Please be respectful of other people, what they're saying and what they're feeling. A lot of people just process things differently, so just be respectful of any emotions that people might have about this. So yeah, just post that here. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Just an opportunity or a chance for you to voice your thoughts. All right. So yeah, there's gonna be a survey posted tomorrow, and otherwise just work on your summative. If you're doing option number 1, this is the link to submit it. I just posted it again because it's in case you don't know where it is because it was from last week. And then for option 2, you have to share it with me, or if you did a Canva, you can just let me know and I'll help you submit that, I guess. So yeah, there's directions how to make your presentation video. Remember that you do need to present it. Some of you are doing in-person presentations, or not in person, but on office hours. A few of you signed up for that. So if you would like to do that, you need to email me a time. And if you're not doing that, then make sure you do your video and share the video with me. I'll help you with that if it's not going well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Join my office hours if you haven't yet. It'd be nice to see you, especially school's almost over now. And yeah, that's all for today. Just let me know if you need anything, and I'll talk to you all later.